Oh, that's that one fool, Freddie Mercury. Freddie Mercury's right there. That one fool that tried to tell me something last time? Yeah. What was I telling him last time?
You've seen it before, bro.
Yeah, there's undercovers out here too, guys. You're right.
Calling and arresting him for no fucking tags.
Does he have a front license plate?
He's got a front license. I wonder if they're gonna impound his shit.
For sure. Have we got his name and badge number today?
I don't think so.
That's it. So I'm gonna give her a call right now so you can come get it. Alright. Sir? I'll keep trying. Where's she at? At Hotel 6?
What's up, Ocean? Good to see you, bro.
They're calling someone to come get the car.
Tow truck, yeah. Or is he gonna let somebody take it?
I think so. I thought that's what they said. So she can come get it. Just to talk about it.
What's your name, badge number? Name and badge number? Name?
High rates. That's funny. New Jersey Watchman could really use some help, man. Send me an email, bro. Send me a video link that you'd like me to share, bro. I remember you from way back when. We had they had messed with you really bad out there. I remember that. Me and Christo at Jersey Watcher used to talk about you, bro. And man, you should link up with Christo if you get a chance out there, man. He just got his channel back. He's out recording and stuff like that. Get out there with Christo, bro. Link up with him and go out record with him. So I don't know if this guy's tags are out or anything. Can we see if the guy's tags are out? Is that why they pulled him over? 22. Well, they obviously pulled this guy over because he didn't have tags on his car. Yeah, link up to Christo, Jersey Watcher. Hit him up again, bro. He just got his channel back recently, so if there's a reason probably why he didn't answer you back or anything like that, it's probably because he wasn't able to do anything. But yeah, man, Crystal definitely has respect for you, bro. We definitely talked about your work before. You didn't want to? What'd you say? Yeah, I got his name earlier. He's a little bitch. He reluctantly gave me his name and badge number last time. The other deputy his vehicle is W0248. They're definitely gonna impound the car. The truck, yeah. Brandon Mitchell in the house. I don't think so, Darren. I think this is they pulled him over for no tags. I don't know why they actually arrested him and took him to jail. Yeah, man, it's fucked up. I know it's dark, guys. I know it's hard to see the screen, but I am static recording this, so I'll be uploading clips and stuff later on. You guys definitely on the live stream. How? Oh, fuck! You kidding me? This whole fucking time. Thanks, Nate. Well, apparently Nate just showed me how to fucking brighten up the screen. Oh man, fucking rookie, guys. Thanks, Nate. Possible warrants, guys. Who knows? I talked to this deputy in here earlier. Has a really good attitude, man. He stopped to talk to me for a while. Gave his name and badge number. Named 4 out of the 5 elements of the First Amendment. He's just.
I don't see how hard that is.
Yeah, I don't see how hard it is either. Yeah.
Cops have to access smokers.
Yep. True. True.
I don't get it.
I know.
She pisses me off.
I know.
That's what happens to some of these guys who can't think for themselves.
Yep.
It's controlled by the department.
That's right. This is a public service. Just be professional, huh? There's like, even if you're annoyed, just still be professional. You know what I mean? They're getting paid and they're under policy. They're supposed to be professional at all times. Hey, this is a public service. I watched, I think, most of your video today of you talking to the supervisor out there. Really good video today, bro. I shared it on my community post. I thought it was a good, informative video.
Did you get the other guy?
You're doing good work, bro. Not yet. I'm gonna try and get it.
As much as I enjoy going off on this stuff,
You're welcome, brother. Thank you for all the tremendous work you do, bro. And all the support you've shown me throughout. The deputy that's sitting inside the cruiser, I got his name earlier. I actually spoke to him for a little while. You can rewind it and check that out. So I already got his name and badge number. The other deputy that's standing up talking to him, I don't think I've gotten his name and badge number yet, so I'm gonna try and get his before he gets out of here. For officer safety, he shouldn't be standing in the middle of the road, right? They always talk about officer safety, but he's in the middle of the road.
They're the ones putting themselves in the most dangerous positions.
You're right.
Situations.
Spokane, Washington. Just imagine how they tell their families how tired they are after work. They're sitting on their ass all day. ¿Qué onda, wey? Car thief news, pinche way. Hey, out here in California, you call a motherfucker away, you guys are throwing chingazos away. Roy Groves asks, have you ever considered applying for the force and do your work from the inside instead of on the streets? I'll let the comment section answer that for you, bro. That shit is elementary around here. But I will give you an example. There was a video that I shared where a female cop tried to stop the other cop from harassing a woman. And they didn't do nothing to... They didn't do nothing to the bad cop. They reprimanded the female that tried to intervene. So if that whole propaganda statement that if you want to change things, why don't you apply for a job as a cop and do it from the inside? That doesn't work, man. It sounds nice and it sounds, like a refreshing thought, but it's not. That doesn't happen. It used to probably happen like that in the past, but not anymore. It doesn't happen like that anymore.
Cops don't even like cops.
Hey, right? Yeah, I'm gonna put a meme tomorrow morning, guys, and you guys are gonna like it. And I'm gonna create a meme that explains exactly what happens. The cops want the people to snitch on each other, right? But they also have a no-snitch policy within the department. Just think about that. Not only that, they also have a policy that says that you're not supposed to say anything, like to the press or to anyone, that'll discredit the integrity of the department. So, where can you will, when you join the department, eventually you're gonna lose your moral compass, bro. I don't know if you get that or not. I don't know if if your question is just to throw jabs at what we do, or if you're seriously concerned or would like to know. I hope that answers your question, because it doesn't always work that way, Bones. Bones says that I'm wrong about policy about cops being able to smoke in public, in uniform, on duty or off duty. We've already established that they're not allowed to smoke on duty or off duty, guys. Nice try though, Bones. Yeah, hell yeah, guys. Car Thief News was locked up for over a year. He just got out not too long ago. I'm gonna ask him for the other deputy's name. Real quick, man, I'm gonna get out of your hair. I didn't want to interrupt that guy when he was talking to you, but he kind of left really quick. Do you know his name and badge number?
Which one?
The one that was just talking to you right now? Volmer?
I don't know his badge number. It's probably like 15 something.
All right, Volmer, Volmer.
2 L's.
2 L's?
Yeah, he's big on the 2 L's.
All right. Hey, all right.
It's like 15 something. I don't know what it is.
I appreciate it, man. Yep.